right, boys and girls, we are approaching one of my favorite roads. We are behind a 997.2 GT3RS. Yes, not a GT3, GT3RS. And this car is going to sound, his car is going to sound magnificent. I am in my base 911, my turbocharged 2017, and here we go. We are at the top of third gear. Look at this road. We got slow traffic up ahead. So I'm already slowing down, but this road is amazing. Probably my favorite road. Probably my favorite road. Now, hopefully you got to hear the GT3RS's exhaust. That car just has amazing grip. Now, back then, GT3RS's only came with a manual transmission. So it's awesome. He's got a manual. He's got a aftermarket exhaust. And he's got ceramic brakes. I'd say the acceleration between the two cars is even. He's got the horsepower, but I got the turbos. But the grip that car has is just amazing. You can just see how it flies through the turns. And that's my favorite road. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope this came out good. I don't have a microphone. I'm just filming from my GoPro. I hope the view is good. I didn't really have a chance to calibrate this point of view. The sound of that glorious GT3RS. I hope it comes through on the camera because it just sounds amazing. My car with the turbos doesn't sound too good. It's got pops and bangs, but it can't match that. Can't match a GT3RS with a modified exhaust. Here's some more turns. So with the 911s, you usually have to use the rear end grip. So I go in the corners a little slow to use all that rear end grip coming out of the corners. You see we got my friend's M2 ahead of us. So it's an M2, GT3RS, me. See, acceleration's about the same. I'm gonna not shift up a gear here. Acceleration out of the corner. I probably should have just gone up a gear there. We are along the river, which you can see, hopefully you can see. long as I stay over 3,000 RPM, I have plenty of power here. GT3RS, or any GT3, if you've driven them, the power is up high. And it just sounds amazing. 1,000 times better than my car at those high RPMs. I have a red line of about 7,400, which is actually pretty good for a turbo. Most of my drives, I just leave it in third gear. On that straightaway, I could have probably upshifted to fourth. I just love hearing the sound at the top of third gear. It makes this great howl just before a red line. With the rear engine pushing down on the rear tires, the proper way to drive a 911 is using that rear end grip. Into the turn, rocket out of it, see how much we gain while getting the acceleration coming out of the turn. Bridge over the water there, if you can see it. Sorry if you can't. Having too much fun in the GT3RS. Too much fun. Now, I've done the same roads in my McLaren, and honestly, I much prefer the 911. And why? Well, the main reason it's a manual transmission, and B, even though it's a quick car, hold on. See rear end grip? See, I have to brake. we had too much rocketing out of the corner there. I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, I prefer this over the McLaren because it's not that it's a slow car by any means, but you're actually driving the car. It rewards good driving skill. There's a learning curve with 911s with the rear engine. It's not as fast as the McLaren, so you really can drive it more at the limit. Where the McLaren, I would be easily flicking through those S's and these cars would be slowing me up if I tried to accelerate at these turns. Where here, the 911, it's just amazing going up and down through the gears. we're getting to the end here, so. I cannot compete with that GT3RS. Hopefully the sound is coming through. All right, as we have slower traffic here, I'm going to end this video. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Share, leave a comment below with your thoughts. I'm a small YouTuber. I will respond to each and every comment. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you up. Let's get a little more acceleration. See, now acceleration, I'm even gaining on him because of my turbos. We're both rear drive. But the grip that car has, especially the front end grip, which I don't have, and the sound, amazing. 10 out of 10 for that car for sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you next time.